What's up, everybody? Bowman Chrome HTA one box. We are full break 36.55. Dice roll, fresh set. We go 7 times. Your squad's first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 6 and 1 is 7. We want 7 right here. The Angels up top, Guardians at the bottom. Seven times now in your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Again, 6 and 1 is 7 as well right here. Tom Hall up top, Nate Smith at the bottom. Sort them out. Notification is already sent. They did all sort. We'll print and rip. It's closed. It just needs to get... We got 4 bundle deals to fill off. 4 bundle deals to fill off. 36.45, you're saying? 36.45. Plates and patches has a little bit to go. The triple auto banger is full once we get the bundle deals off, so we'll be ripping that soon. $36. 55 early bird. Good luck here, guys. First HTA we've opened. It's a quick break. 3 autos. 3 autos per box. Again, good luck here. Just 3 on the ink. What's up, Omar? How you doing, brother? First auto, Juan Benjamin for the Guardians. Cleveland. And Nate Smith. There you go, Nate. Next up, Mojo first for the Angels. Luis Torres. 95 out of 150. 95 out of 150. Get some more top or sleeves here. Last auto, good luck here. Speckle of Jose Gerardo for the Miami Marlins. 216 out of 299. Miami, Michael Ambrose. Again, guys, just 3 autos there. You can hit some monsters in this. Get in the early birds when you can, when this stuff's up. Benjamin, Gerardo, and Torres. That's the break, guys. Thanks for the fill. Again, I got some orders to check off here.